Welcome back to our channel, where we're always on the lookout for the best tools and apps to supercharge your creativity and productivity. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of content creation and unveiling the 10 essential tools for content creators that will elevate your game. So, grab your digital notepads and let's get started. Kicking off our list is Canva, a graphic design tool that's like a magic wand for visual content. Whether you're crafting stunning images, engaging videos, or captivating presentations, Canva's got you covered. With a plethora of templates and features tailored to your brand, it's a must-have for those aiming to leave a lasting visual impact. Next up, we have Grammarly, your trusty writing assistant. Say goodbye to grammar gaffes and spelling slip-ups. Grammarly not only polishes your text, but also helps you find and fix plagiarism. Craft concise and error-free content that speaks volumes about your professionalism. Staying ahead of the content curve is crucial, and that's where BuzzSumo steps in. This content research gem helps you unearth trending topics and ideas, while also offering insights into your content's performance. Keep your audience engaged with content that's both relevant and impactful. Speaking of trends, Google Trends is your compass to navigate the sea of online interests. See what your audience is searching for and tailor your content to their needs. The best part? It's free, so you have no excuse not to tap into this goldmine of data. Wondered what questions are buzzing in your audience's minds? Answer the public is the key to unlocking their curiosity. Discover the queries they're asking and create content that provides the answers they're seeking. Forge stronger connections by addressing their specific needs. Managing your content across various platforms can be a juggling act, but fear not. Later swoops in as your social media scheduling superhero. Plan, publish, and analyze your content effortlessly, ensuring a consistent presence that resonates with your followers. Let's shift gears to audio content. Audacity is your ticket to professional-level audio editing without breaking the bank, because it is free forever. Create top-notch podcasts, captivating voiceovers, and immersive soundscapes that engage your audience's auditory senses. Words aren't enough to convey your message. Enter Loom, a screen recording tool that brings your tutorials and demos to life. Showcase your expertise by capturing your screen and webcam, making explanations crystal clear and engaging. Ready to become a video content virtuoso? Movavi is your ultimate video editing ally. With a treasure trove of features, your videos will shine brighter than the northern star. Unleash your creative prowess and create content that captivates and resonates. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, and that's where Pictochart excels. Infographics are an exceptional way to convey complex information visually. Dive into Pictochart's collection of templates and craft infographics that communicate effortlessly. Remember, choosing the right tools depends on your unique needs and preferences. However, each tool on our list plays a vital role in crafting content that resonates with your audience, engages their senses, and leaves a lasting impression. So, which tool are you most excited to try out? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, keep creating and keep innovating.